Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I want to tell you about Fed Jack's rates again. Powell vows no surrender in inflation battle. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The Federal Reserve said on Wednesday it would not flinch in its battle against the most intense breakout of inflation in the United States since the 1980, even if that means a sustained period of economic weakness and a slowing jobs market. As explained, the logic behind the steepest interest rate increase in roughly 4 decades, Fed Chair Jerome Powell was favored with questions about whether the U.S. economy was in or on the cusp of a recession, a nation he rejected because U.S. firms continue to hire in excess of 300,000 additional workers each month. One, I do not think the U.S. is currently in a recession, he told reporters after the end of the U.S. Central Bank's latest policy meeting, citing an unemployment rate that is still near a half-century low and solid wage growth and jobs gains. It doesn't make sense that the U.S. would be in recession. But the 75 basis point rate increase announced by the Fed on Wednesday, coupled with earlier actions in March, May, and June, has now jacked the central bank's overnight interest rate from near zero to a level between 2 and 25% and 2 and 25%. That is the fastest tightening of monetary policy in forward. Fed Chair Powell battled double-digit inflation in the 1,002nd, secure than improved back-to-back recessions. Consumers prices haven't yet broken the 10% annual mark this time, but at 9%. 91% they are close enough to raise the stakes for both the Fed and the Biden administration, which is particularly sensitive on the issue ahead of congressional elections in November. While Powell said he did not think a recession would be needed to fix the problems this time, he acknowledged that the economy was slowing and would likely need to slow more for the Fed to bring the pace of price increases back to earth. And we do want to see demand running below potential for a sustained period to create slack in the economy, Powell said in a news conference. We are trying to do just the right amount. We're not trying to have a recession. But he was adamant that the behavior of inflation would drive the Fed's course, and that another unusually large rate increase could be avoided when the Fed next meets in inflation does not begin to slow. So maybe just this. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.